Good morning, children. The lesson for this week is how to do sum in Microsoft Access. Let me share to you the Microsoft Access. You need to make a new file name here and type sum and your name, for example, FR, and click create. For the table, you have to double click and click text, type items, press enter, click text, quantity for the next or second column, and for the third column, price. Okay, that's all. Items, quantity, price. Click X and then click yes. I type there sum. Okay, table. Okay, then create a form, click create, form wizard, 2 arrows and finish. Just type there the items. For example, you have a small shop and you're selling bananas. Okay, the quantity is about, let's say, 45 kilos. All right, in terms of kilos, you have 45 kilos of bananas. Okay, and the price per kilo, let's say, is 30 kilos. No? So 30 times 45, all in all, that's 1,350. Just type the number there, okay? Your selling price, okay? And then what else you're selling? Let's say tomatoes. Quantity about, you have, let's say 50 kilos. All right, and then you're selling tomatoes for, let's say 15 per kilo, 15 meticais. You have 750 meticais there. Okay, just for example, no? And then what else you're selling? Onions. Okay, you have around 200 kilos. And you're selling onions for, let's say, 25 meticais. You have 5,000 there. Okay. All right, I think that's enough. Just for example, all right. Don't put meticais or MTS there. Okay. Just that. Okay. Even kilos, better not put kilos, just a number, because we'll try to add up. I will try to show you how to add those numbers using Access. How can Microsoft Access do summation, all right? Then click X, all right? Double click table this time. Click design view, all right? And in quantity, you have to change that into number. Click text on price and quantity. Click that button and click number. Because if it's a text, of course, the program will not be able to add it or sum it. It has to be number. So you have to program it that will become a number, all right? And so the computer can, or the software or application can sum it as numbers, not on text. Because text cannot be added because they are not numbers, no? Precisely. Click X, then yes. Okay? Click yes. And then what you need to do now is to, after changing that into number, okay, you make a report now. Click report, all right, to make a report. Click create, report wizard, two arrows, finish. That easy. And then you click design view, which is located at the bottom of the worksheet. That looks like a ruler and a pencil. Click design view. And then what will you do now is you're going to click quantity on and totals on menu. All right. And then click sum. All right. Click quantity. All right. And then click totals and click sum. All right. Click price, the one down here, not this up here. The totals has the sign of that looks like letter E. But anyway, there's a word that says totals there. Click that button and click sum. Okay? So it will add up the table. Click X and then click yes. So let's see if it added the thing there. There's the total. 295 quantity in terms of kilos. You have 295 kilos, equivalent to 7,100 meticais. Once you program these children, you can just, input the data there, and it will automatically total the items by itself. Okay. All right. So that's how Microsoft Access do summation. Okay, you can program it to add things on a table. I hope you can do this for next week. I believe it's your sixth lesson, sixth week, next week. Goodbye, and I hope you will be successful doing this.